Welcome to another unit in this Excel course. This time I'm going to talk about how I can actually, let's call this review someone else's changes in a workbook or document my own workbook. For this, I can use the menu Review, and I have here, that's new to the newer versions, the track changes, but he can only highlight them. So it's not as sophisticated as the Word version, but it still allows me to see where, in which way changes happened. But more interestingly, in particular with regards to my own documentation, is the commenting option. So I could go, for example, select a cell, add comment. Then, as you see, this refers to this specific cell. This is shown by the small arrow in the upper left. And then I can add something, like important. If I click somewhere else, this is gone. As soon as I just highlight this cell, this comment is shown. So I don't only have to click here, I can just click somewhere else, roll over to this field, and my comment is shown. So this helps me to actually, remember what is done where. This helps me a lot in documenting what I have done or asking, for example, someone else, what did you do here? Well, in this case, you can also see if I'm in a different cell where there was no comment before, I can only go with new comment or go to next or previous comment. If I'm at this cell where there is a comment, I can also delete the same comment again. So the handling of comments is relatively easy and straightforward. So you can just jump through the different comments, show all of the comments at once. Well, at the moment there is none. Or add delete correspondingly the different comments. And that's done already. There is everything there is on tracking changes or commenting, documenting your workbook without actually having to write something in the workbook itself. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short session. If you're looking for additional input on Excel in other contexts, feel free to visit the rest of this course or take a look in the corresponding playlist with regards to this course. So see you soon and goodbye.